Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Leos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Leos, for your daily energies and love energies, Leos. Eight of Swords, Page of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Leos, with these cards today, you feel the happiness and contentment, how things are proceeding in your life, and you're happy where you are emotionally and in your professional life, about your position in life and everything, guys. In this relationship, you have that emotional contentment today, guys. Maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some good news from your person, some message or something important, guys, or some what to say, truth about them. You may find out something, their friend or family, someone may tell you the truth about this person, how much they love you, their true feelings to you. That may also be the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting gifts from people, presents from this person, or they want to spend time with you. You may feel that this person's attention is totally on you, they are caring for you, they want to be there with you. Maybe you may have some kind of illness also, some minor illness. That may be the reason that they are taking care of you, or maybe this person just wants to have spend quality time with you. That may also be the reason that they are there with you, guys. And maybe some of you all feel somebody from your work or in your family, they are thinking of you as their rival and they may be working against you. That may also be the energy here, guys. For some of you all, some kind of what to say, scandal or gossip, they may be talking about you to someone, so you feel somebody is talking bad about you, or they may be gossiping about you to your family or friends or your person. They may try to separate you or cause problems in your relationship, guys. They may be trying to do that, so that may also be the energy here, Leos. Let us see what is coming up with this other set of cards, guys, to give us a better clarity. Stock, birds, mice, garden, dog. Leos, with these cards, I feel you are getting some kind of important information today, some new what to say, new message, something new is coming into your life, and this person is very devoted to you. Just like I said, somebody may be talking about you or gossiping about you, or they may be just thinking of you guys. That may also be the energy here. They may be thinking of you lovingly, and today you are going through some new kind of transformation. You are expecting some new arrival, maybe someone from your family or yourself or your person, somebody very close to you is having a baby, or you may be trying something new, some new business, new ventures. It is a beginning of new season, guys. Something new is happening in your life and you are on the path to success, guys. You are going to succeed in that. So that is the energy here with these cards. And you may be going to some parties also with families, friends, somebody, and you have a very good time with them. You're spending time with them. That is also the energy here. And sometimes for some of you all, you feel somebody is using your ideas and efforts for their benefit. They may be trying to use you. They may use your work and take credit. So you feel at a loss. You feel really irritated why such things are happening, and you feel your time and energy is being robbed, something of that sort, guys, when people are trying to use you. So that may also be the energy here. Maybe this may be the energy with your person or someone from your close circle who is trying to use your work, use your abilities for their benefit, guys. So some important transmissions are happening today, guys, some kind of communication. So that is the main energy here. So something new is coming up, some communication is taking place, or universe may be communicating with you in a subtle way to lead you into certain paths, guys. You may feel spiritually inclined to do certain things, start meditation, something of that sort, or take up some activity, something concerned with art, something which you had liked, which you have a deep love for, maybe singing, dancing, something. So you are finding that time and the attraction towards such activities. So you may be, for some of you all, you may be seeing the signs to pursue whatever you feel you want to do, guys. So that may also be the energy here, Leos. And this person in your relationship, you are very loyal and trustworthy, and even this person is very loyal. They have this good attraction towards you, and you both feel very responsible, guys. Maybe you're planning to start a family. That may also be the energy here, guys. You're planning to have a child. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Let us pick one more card from this fairy deck. Let us see what the fairies are asking us to do, guiding us to do today. Dress of alchemy. So the energy with this card is that, guys, you have to give up all the negative emotions you are having within yourself, all that jealousy, envy, fear, guilt, whatever it was, and you should welcome love, courage and wisdom in your heart. When you have love and courage in your heart, you will automatically, just like I was saying, the universe will give you signs. You will be getting the signs about what you need to do in life, guys. You will have the intuition to do things that you are born to do. So you will know your true worth, guys. So you must have that what to say, this is just self-love, and you are acting on self-love. So that by doing that, you will have love in your heart, and you will have love for everyone that is there in your life. So it will bring a great change, guys, great positive change in your relationship and in the place where you exist. So that is a fairy's guidance today, Leos. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, Leos. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye.